Hey guys, it's Kirby Kwan Jr. back here at Crunch TV, chilling at Fan Expo 2021, and right now we're chilling with Ant-Man himself. Tell me, man, how you doing so far today?
Good, good. It's been a good day so far.
Dope, dope. So, tell us, why Ant-Man? What's a dope thing that you got going on with here, and how did you make the costume?
Well, actually, I got this off of one of those cosplay sites. Bought the helmet, added a little wasp.
Got that Marvel Legends one going on there?
Yep. This is the Legend series.
So, what do you think is sort of one of the biggest pieces of advice you can give to new convention goers and cosplayers out there?
Just go out there and have fun. Doesn't matter what your costume looks like.
That's facts.
Start off small, work your way up.
Yeah, everyone starts somewhere, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
I started off with like a Spider-Man hoodie, and then I worked my way up. I kept upgrading with Starlord.
Oh, okay.
I also cosplay as Starlord. Yeah.
Oh, dope. Everyone loves the whole superhero thing going on right now.
Yeah, I cosplay as many different fandoms: Marvel, DC, Star Wars.
Sweet.
The whole majority.
Sweet. So, it's been 2 years since the last time we had conventions here in Toronto. What is the one thing that you miss the most about going to conventions?
Seeing everybody. There's a lot of people I haven't seen in 2 years. Some people I've even talked to over the internet, meeting them for the first time as well.
So just the community, I guess you could say?
Yeah, community. I miss this actually, seeing all these people.
Right. And speaking of community and making new friends, where can we find you on online presence such as social media?
I have an Instagram and a TikTok. It is the Starlord King.
Anyways, thank you so much for your time and chilling with us here today at Crunch TV. And don't forget, guys, at home, if you can dream it, you can make it, and then you can become it. Have a good day.